This is Laura Brown, and today we're here with Lisa Regier, and we are at Kingsburg Elementary's first STEM camp. So, Ms. Regier, tell us about what the kids are doing behind you.
We have been able to explore this week and just test different theories. Today we're comparing ball heights, so we have 5 different types of balls, and we each have jobs. We're working together in cooperative grouping, and with the data that we collect on our graphs, we're taking that data and we're averaging and comparing which ball would have the greatest height.
Now, aside from this session, what other sessions are the kids rotating through?
We've had some really great scientific lessons this week. I've really enjoyed it. We've been doing catapults and discovering the velocity. Depending on the angle that you set your catapult to, it creates a different velocity for the objects. We've compared and contrasted different catapults. We're also creating slingshots tomorrow. We've been doing solar power. Some of the teachers are doing solar power and talking about solar energy and its effect on even Kingsburg. Right here we've got some solar power going.
So why is it important for kids to learn the different STEM subjects? How are they using it in class, and then how could they use it for their future careers?
STEM is a vital part of our future. Those are the best jobs that are out there for their future. We talk about the kids getting excited. Oh, can you delete that part? We try to get the kids to see how important these jobs will be in their future, because going to college and getting into science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, that is the future.
So next year they're going to expand this program, so parents can be looking to maybe enroll, or if they missed this year, maybe they can sign up for next year.
Yeah, next year we're definitely going to be doing it again. As far as I know, it's gone really well. We had such a wonderful turnout. We had one group, and there were so many kids we had to create another track because so many kids were excited to learn. So we're excited about next year and what the future holds, and as parents, it'd be great to have these opportunities at home for them to work with things they have, to create catapults on their own, using renewable resources or reusing things that you guys have in your own homes.
Okay, all right, thank you very much.